Good morning. We're looking at this beautiful semi-detached townhouse in Las Brisas here in La Duquesa. So the house has been refurbished with new kitchens, new windows, and I will show you as long as we go through the actual house. So as you enter to the hallway, you've got your kitchen to your left. It has been totally redone. New kitchen with this beautiful marble stone on top, and they've obviously opened up towards the living room, so you even have sea view. It's a bit of a breezy day today. It's August 2021 and we don't have the full blue view of the sea. Now this was a kind of a patio, which we can see on this wall, that has been included to the actual kitchen. So it makes it bigger. You have a nice size double doored fridge freezer, and all the electric appliances are here. Lounge living room. Have to say that electric and pipes have been changed, all of them. Windows are now double glazed, very double glazed and fully insulated. The door that takes you to the terrace and the garden is a folding door, sliding and folding door. So you can have it partially opened or fully opened. I think it's a beautiful feature, especially for the summer. Terrace with your own patch of green. And your garden. It's the end unit, so you're very private. Here underneath the staircase, you've got a storage room. We're not going to open it because the owner says it's very cluttered, so we're going to leave it as it is. This holding railing is also new. As you come to the first level, master bedroom. Very nice size master bedroom. Beautifully decorated, light, very beach. Gives you the beach feeling. Your own private terrace. With a view, sea, and even the port. There's the port. So you're about walking distance to the port if you wanted to. You have orientations, east, south, west, lot of sun all day around. Nice sized built-in wardrobes, the whole wall, they're quite deep. And they've also redone the bathroom into a walk-in shower. Now, the air conditioning, they've got the full central air conditioning, which is functioning, but the owners are two right now only, so they've also done the individual one, so you can put the air conditioning on downstairs or upstairs if you're upstairs, which is quite a commodity. Bathroom, also retiled, new floors. Very nice. On the screen, second bedroom, so very nice sized bedroom. Here you get the afternoon sun and built-in wardrobes. Well, here is actually the roof, top terrace. You could do a barbecue area here if you wanted to. But most of the neighbors, what they have done is actually an extra bedroom from roughly here to here, like the neighbors. And you still would have terrace. Nice mountain view, sea view, and also the porch again. I'm going to leave the link below with prices, more pictures, and feel free to contact us for any additional questions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and have a great day.